week-long celebration, Sankerdev College concluded the college week with different programs in the college. Addressing the students, Principal of Sankerdev College, Dr. Eureka F.P. Lingdor said that the college recognizes the importance of the curriculum activities and that it always encouraged the students to have the spirit of participation. Different sporting activities were held like football, basketball, tug-of-war, scavenger hunt, Mao-point, quiz, debate, essay writing, dance, singing and others.
Ample space and time, we recognize the importance of extracurricular activities, and it has always been our intent to encourage our students to have the spirit of participation.